Are you still preparing taxes during the tax season? Well, we are going to talk about how preparing tax returns yourself during tax season will hurt you and your tax business. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Tatiani Favors here, your tax business coach. And welcome to my channel. Well, you will come here to learn everything about how to start, build, and scale profitable and sustainable tax businesses. You hear me? So let's get into today's topic, guys. We are going to talk about something real today. And I know y'all are like, preparing taxes myself is going to hurt me during tax season. Yeah, it really can. And I have a few reasons on how and why that happens. So let's go ahead and get into some of these reasons on why, if you continue to prepare taxes in your tax business, how it can actually have the adverse effect and hurt your tax business. So these are in no particular order. So we're just going to start with at the start and start with the first one, which is, okay, listen, your life will end in December and then resume in May. Okay. Every year for as long as you decide to be a one-person show. Okay. If you are knee deep in tax returns every tax season, I'm assuming that you don't have a team, that you don't have certain automations set in place, because if you had at least another person to help you, you would have some of your time back. I remember the days of being a one-person show on my tax business, killing myself, preparing all of these tax returns, had no life between January and May, okay? And it was like that for years. And as someone who wanted to work for myself, I'm like, this is not the life I see these entrepreneurs on these yachts living. Okay. This is not giving that. This is giving very struggle bus, very, where is my time going? Very, I don't even have enough time to spend the money that I'm making. Okay. When you start in the taxation industry, the first thing you want to do is start making money, of course. But when you start making money, then you desire that time. Okay. You desire that time. And so being unavailable to your family for a quarter and a half for 4.5 months out of the year, being unavailable, merged with just not having the time to do anything for yourself outside of tending to your tax clients for so long, takes a toll on you and takes a toll on your business as well. Because if you are a one-person show, you are your business and your business is you. So if you're overwhelmed, tired, frustrated, then your business is going to be overwhelmed, stressed, tired, frustrated, all of those things. Okay. So keep that in mind when you are a one-person show. Your business heavily relies on how you feel, how you decide to move forward, your actions, and all of that. Okay. Also, another way on how preparing taxes in your business can get in the way and hurt your tax business is that you will be self-employed versus a business owner. Okay. There is a difference. Being self-employed and being a business owner. I know the two are used interchangeably on social media, especially, but they are different. In a nutshell, if you are self-employed, okay, you have to show up to make money, meaning you have to prepare a tax return in order to make money. If for any reason you do not prepare a tax return because you are, God forbid, sick, you have an emergency, you want to go on vacation, you're just away, then you do not make any money if you do not actually show up and prepare a tax return. Versus if you are a business owner, that means that your company continues to run in your absence. So what if you do get sick? What if you are on vacation? What if you just need to sleep more? What if you're skydiving? Whatever you are doing, your business as a business owner will still generate money, will still run in your absence. That is the biggest difference between self-employed and business ownership. If you are self-employed with a job, you're stressed, okay? If you are self-employed with no team in your business, you are stressed, which again, in turn, makes it very troubling for your tax business and hurts your tax business. I need you all to understand that when you are a one-person show, again, and I might repeat this again in this video, that everything that you're doing, you're feeling, you're not doing, you're not feeling negatively impacts your business. Why? Because like I said, you are your business and your business is you. So you have to be cognizant of that, okay? You have to be cognizant of that. Another reason, and this is probably one of the largest reasons why, if you are preparing taxes in your tax business, why it's hurting your tax business, is because you're too busy working in your business. You don't have the proper time to grow your business. I know you all have heard the whole working in versus on your business, okay? But if you are busy with tax preparation, if you are knee deep in tax preparation for 4.5 months out of the year, it's almost impossible for you to properly be able to grow your tax business in the way that you need to grow it. Why? Because you're busy preparing taxes. In order to work in your business and on your business requires two different types of skill sets. To work in your tax business, meaning you're just producing the skill itself, the skill of tax preparation. And that's kind of on autopilot after a while. But in order to properly grow a business, you need a whole different type of skill set and mindset. You need all of your creative juices to come up with creative, new, fun, innovative ways to grow your business. How are you going to market your business? How are you going to get more tax clients? How are you going to do certain things that you need to do in order to grow your business? You need all of your creative juices to come up with the answers to those questions. Once you have prepared taxes for 12 hours out of the day, or even worse, if you have a 9 to 5 and then you're preparing taxes from 7 p to like 2 a.m., where do you have the capacity to even think innovatively and creatively on how you're going to actually get tax clients, how you're going to market to more tax clients, the steps that are necessary for you to grow your business? The capacity simply isn't there. The energy level simply isn't there. So it's hurting your tax business because your tax business is remaining at the exact same place it is. You're stuck on that hamster wheel of preparing taxes, tax season after tax season. You're more busy than progressive, and your tax business suffers because it's staying right here instead of always on an upward trajectory, which is exactly what you want to do in your business. Guys, hear me loud and clear. Even if you start preparing taxes in your tax business in the beginning, I want you to know that you don't have to end it that way. Some of us, when I first started my tax business, I prepared taxes. I was knee deep in tax returns. I realized I didn't have the time to do other things or spend with my family. I realized all of these things that I am telling you. That's why I can confidently sit in front of you to tell you this is not what you want, and this is not the way to have a progressive and sustainable business. Okay, just think to yourself, in the next 2 or 3 tax seasons, do you still really want to be knee deep in tax preparations? Do you still want to be working how you're working now, with no time for anybody, including yourself, with not progressing your business in the next 2 or 3 years? Do you still want to be functioning as you are functioning now in your tax business? Or do you want to actually be a business owner? Do you want to elevate into business ownership so you can have the time to live this life like you see these entrepreneurs online or whatnot, go on these vacations and your business still be able to run itself? Have the time to spend with your kids, your spouse, your loved ones, socially. have the time to even pursue other business endeavors. Okay, there are so many things you can do with your time while still making money if you decide to go ahead and put in the proper structure in place. So what do I mean? I mean systems, SOPs, which is short for standard operating procedures, automating those SOPs, and also your hiring process, building a team, getting people in place in your business to help you grow your business, to run your business, so you can set yourself up for success, so you can set yourself up to be the business owner that you want to be and that you have envisioned to be. Okay, guys, I really want you all to get this, because so many tax business go under because the CEO goes under. The CEO being you. You're overwhelmed, you're frustrated, it's too much, and your tax business suffers. And I want you to avoid that. So I hope y'all learned something in this video. Definitely like, share, comment, subscribe. And also, if you are thinking about joining the taxation industry, or you want to figure out how you can grow your tax business to work more so on your tax business versus in your tax business, click the link below in the description box. Go ahead and schedule a free discovery call with me. Let's go ahead and see where you are and what your next best steps are, okay? In order to get you off of this plateau, to get you out of worker bee mindset and mode and into CEO, okay, mindset, to where you can transition from self-employment to business ownership. Let's see where you are. Let's get it, guys. Talk to you in the next video. Peace.